Wow, there's even a lamp. Okay.
Here is the outside of the bathroom. Here's this
Washing machine
washing machine.
and towels.
There's a cute flapper. And then there's those thingies over there. And let's go in the room. I mean, toilet. Here's the toilet. There's even a design. And then here, there's the sink. Okay, and there's a mirror here. There's also just like, you know, the oldies kind of bathroom. Yeah.
The shower though, medyo mababa. Mababa yung shower niya. And, oh, you can open it up pala.
There's a girl.
There's a girl in the bathroom. Yan yung design niya. So that's it. It's a quaint room, but it will do. And maraming mga little touches. There's also a closet.